Good morning, class 12. Let's start. Today we are going to discuss about nucleophilic addition reaction, that is reaction of Grignard reagents with aldehydes, ketones, carbon dioxide, HCN, esters, etc. So first of all, reaction of Grignard reagent with formaldehyde. I'm taking a common one, that is CH3 MgBr, formaldehyde. This will be coming under nucleophilic addition. So what will happen? We know that this is nucleophilic. So this happens CH3C OMgBr. Water added or hydrolysis done. What do we get? CH3 ethanol, primary alcohol. So whenever methyl magnesium bromide is treated with formaldehyde, we are going to get a primary alcohol, that is ethanol in this case. Next, when it is treated with acetaldehyde, if I just write CH3CHO, then what do I get? Here one CH3 I have to write. Okay, others will be okay, I think. Yes, now hydrolysis done. So this one CH3, so 2 degree alcohol. That means when methyl magnesium bromide was treated with formaldehyde, you are getting ethanol, that is 1 degree alcohol. When it is treated with acetaldehyde, we are getting isopropyl alcohol, this one, which is a 2 degree alcohol. Next, when methyl magnesium bromide is treated with acetone, acetone means this one, CH3 I am writing. Now this one, and we are going to get a tertiary alcohol. This is tertiary butyl alcohol, which is a 3 degree alcohol. That means when it is reacting with formaldehyde, we are getting 1 degree alcohol. When reacts with acetaldehyde, 2 degree alcohol. When reacts with ketones or acetone, particularly, we are getting a 3 degree alcohol. Next, when methyl magnesium bromide or any other Grignard reagent reacts with ethylene oxide, in that case also we get 1 degree alcohol, right? This one, if I take CH3 MgBr, and ethylene oxide means this one, so here we are attacking any one carbon because both are equivalent. So what do we get? CH3 here, CH2 OMgBr, this one. If I do the hydrolysis, I get what? Propanol, CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. Okay. Next, when methyl magnesium bromide reacts with carbon dioxide, then what do we get? Same pattern of reaction, this one. So CH3 C double bond O and OMgBr. If I do the hydrolysis, or if I add water, this OMgBr is getting converted to OH group. So I am getting acid. So whenever Grignard reagent reacts with carbon dioxide, we will be getting carboxylic acid. Next reaction, when methyl magnesium bromide reacts with HCN or CH3CN, means the cyanides or the nitriles, then what do we get? CH3 MgBr reacts with HCN. Again attack on the carbon, this one, CH3 CH double bond N MgBr. If water is added, what do we get? CH3CH double bond NH. Further, if I do the hydrolysis, this is imine bond. C double bond N means imine bond. So when I do the hydrolysis of the imine, what do I get? Respective carbonyl compound. So CH3CH double bond O. So CH3CHO I am going to get. Same thing if I allow CH3MgBr to react with CH3Cn. This was HCN. So when I use CH3Cn, what do I get? This one will be CH3 here. Okay, CH3. Okay, now again imine hydrolysis, I'll be getting ketone or acetone in this case. Right? Next, when methyl magnesium bromide reacts with esters, then what do I get? Ester CH3CO OC2H5. This one. Same thing will attack the carbon. So CH3. Okay, when this one is attacking the carbon, OC2H5 will move out as the leaving group. So CH3C. Again one CH3. Okay, and this one. So ketone I am getting. Now ketone will further react with CH3MgBr. Ketone further reacts with CH3MgBr to produce what? CH3OMgBr to produce tertiary alcohol or 3-degree alcohol. This one. This is the final product. Okay. So that's it, class 12. So this part finishes your haloalkane. Okay. So thank you, class 12.